Hey guys, this is Bill from Wyoming Outdoors. Today we're going to be building a set of RV steps out of scrap lumber you can get out of your backyard or wherever. I needed a little set of steps to get in and out of the back of my camper because I got one of those Kodiak tents, which we'll be showing you in another video. But today we want to build this set of steps. I've already got it built, but I'm going to walk you through the dimensions and how to build this thing. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come up with some 3/8 plywood. Half inch will work too. I just used 3/8. Okay. So the basic dimensions on this is 3 foot long by 18 or 19 inches high. Mine's 19. You can, whatever you got, you can make it work. Okay. Then your first step, you want to make it at 10 and a half. 10 and a half. Then your top step's going to be 11. As far as deep, you want this one at 6 1/4, 13. So you want to cut 2 of those, 1 for each side. Okay. Next thing we want to get to is the back piece. Basically what I did is I got 2 1/6s, 20 inches long, both of them. Okay, on this side of it, I found some scrap 2x2s. Okay, and I cut a 20-inch piece, 4 of them. Okay, you want to leave the gap in there for your side pieces. So this is how it goes together. You just run the side piece into your gap. What you're trying to do is when you're installing it, you want to fit it before you screw it all together so you don't get it too tight. So we got that piece. This is what it looks like. Okay, so now we got to build the top step. So what we got here is those same 1x6s. They're the same width. 20 inches. You got your 4 pieces of 2x2 on the back. Make sure you leave enough room you can get it slid down over those side pieces. So on this one I left a little overhang on the front. Kind of flush it up on the back there. Okay. Same with this one, except I left a little step out on it so it bumps out a little. Tap it down on there. Same with the bottom piece, same dimensions, pretty easy. Slip her down on there. Tap it in. There you go. It's all set. You can use it for your RV. You can throw it, take it apart, throw it in the back of the truck, however you want to do it. It assembles, once you've done it, it assembles in about 1 minute. It's really solid, and I guess if you wanted to make it permanent, you could put screws in it, but it's pretty easy. So disassembly is just as easy. So just take your little hammer, take that piece apart. What I did is I went ahead and hit it with a little spray paint. Side piece. Back piece. Side piece. Pretty simple. It's just a good way to use that scrap wood around the house, you know, or out behind the barn or garage or whatever you want to use it for. I've Actually, you know, you could use it in the garage as a step stool too. So, you know, I made mine 20 inches wide, but you could make yours 2 foot wide. You could put a hand railing on it. That's probably what I'll do next. But it's pretty simple. Hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching.